Hey, so just sitting in the car waiting for my daughter to finish up her volunteer work. And these two little guys here, Ollie, come here. These two little guys here, Ray and Ollie, were gonna run around my friend's farm and just have fun off the leash. And we spot what looked like a very big, well-fed coyote. Not sure if it was a coyote. I'll upload the video with this clip. Could have been a wolf. I mean, it's like he looked. I mean, coyotes usually look like mangy, skinny little dogs. I wouldn't say a greyhound, but maybe like a. Hey, Ollie, come here, come on, jump, come on, jump, come here, come on. All right, it'll be like that. Come on, Ray, over here. But oh, come on, there we go. Coyotes are like very stringy, skinny, almost, I wouldn't say like a Labrador, but maybe like a elongated fox with longer legs, skinny body. They usually look very thin and mangy. This thing looked freaking padded. It looked like it'd been eaten well. So I'm not sure if it was a well-fed coyote, because I've seen coyotes which look like horses because they've got really long necks, or it was just a, maybe a small wolf or something, but it definitely was not scared of me. I quickly had to grab up these two guys because it will take this little chihuahua. It will definitely give Ollie a run for his money, even though he's got terrier in him. It would definitely give him a run for its money. So yeah, that was a it's not every day you wake up, go out on a farm and, because it's only 8:30 in the morning and you go face to face with an animal that hunts in packs. It's coyote or wolf? It's coyote, isn't it?
It's a little too small to be a wolf.
Go on, get out of here!
What?
Bloody big coyote. You know what, May? Look for another one. There's more than one. Go on, get out of here. I can see you. Get out of here. Freaking coyote. Look, he's not even scared of me. How's the other one? Yeah, get out of here. Go on. Look at that. He is not scared at all. That's how far away he is from me. ×6 on my phone. I'm looking for others. Usually when there's one coyote, there's more than usually another one lurking. The fact that guy's not moving on. Yeah, I can see you, you bugger. God, that guy's not moving. Go on, get out. Get out of here. He does not care. Yeah, I'm looking at you. I'm looking at you, you bugger. Might not look like much, but coyotes will chase you. They hunt in packs. I'm just checking around, even though I've got this guy on my camera. Fred and his buddies, because I probably... Shut up, Siri. Siri, shut up. Get out of here, go on. Get out. Freaking cool. he's slowly moving off, but he don't care. Is he gonna cross the line? Is he just... Get out of here. Yeah, get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. You bugger, you. Okay, I think he's down by the river. And usually when I've seen coyotes, I've seen them in 3s and 4s. And usually, you know, I last time I ran into a pack of coyotes or a group of coyotes, there was 1 or 2 just right in front of me. Not a big deal. But what I had to do, because there was a lot of joggers in my vicinity at this park where I saw this coyote, I said to one jogger, you should just wait, because she wanted to do her circuit. I said, wait, because to my left and to my right in my peripheral were 2 other coyotes just watching us. So we had 2 coyotes just pacing up and down in front of us, which we could all see. But the 2 over here were like in the shade of trees. And I said to her, there's 4 coyotes in a public park. Actually, it was near a school as well. So I just said to her, maybe now is not a good time to go jogging. The other time I saw coyotes was when I was out riding my bike, and I saw a very stressed, harassed female jogger ran up to me, and she said, just got chased by a pack of coyotes. And she said there's like 5 or 6 of them. So they will come after you. I know in Stanley Park, people have been attacked by coyotes, which are not scared of people. But this guy, he was beefy, well-fed, and he was not scared. And I was trying to shoo him off, and he literally left the field under his own steam in his own time. In fact, I think he went down by the river. I don't even think he left. I think he's just out of earshot and eye shot. But I definitely think he's still around, and I'm pretty certain his colleagues are somewhere floating around in the area. But there you go. So, you know, yeah. When you go walking your dogs in BC, got to be on the lookout for bobcats, coyotes, mountain lions, and black bears, brown bears, and if you're unlucky enough, the odd bloody grizzly. I mean, okay, those are rare in towns, but you know, you only have to meet one once to know that you're in a bad situation. Shut up. And then of course you've got your skunks and your raccoons, which are literally everywhere. But anyway, there you go. We'll catch you in the next one. Have a good one.